The cemetery Gambit employed by the Lake Zurich Golf Club represents one of the most creative uses of legal loopholes in American history. What makes the story even more remarkable is that you can still see the evidence today. The tombstone, bearing the names of Lathrop Washington, Terrence O'Brien, Irving Cohen, and Jackson Washington Johnson, still stands at the golf course property, permanent reminder of the club's unusual legal maneuver. The Lake Zurich Golf Club continues to operate at 564 North Old Rand Road in Lake Zurich, Illinois. It remains a private club with only about 35 to 40 members, making it one of the smallest and most exclusive golf clubs in the Chicago area. The cemetery Gambit employed by the Lake Zurich Golf Club represents one of the most creative uses of legal loopholes in American history. It demonstrates several important principles about law, property rights, and the power of creative thinking. Faced with what seemed like an impossible situation, the club members didn't just accept defeat, they found a solution that was unconventional, slightly shocking, but ultimately effective. The legal precedent, while rarely cited, established that cemetery designation can be used as protection against eminent domain, even when the cemetery is clearly secondary to the property's primary use. Of course, this story raises some interesting ethical questions. Was it right for the golf club members to essentially steal bodies from a medical school, even if they were unclaimed cadavers? From another perspective, they gave 4 forgotten souls a proper burial with marked graves and ongoing care, something these men never would have received otherwise. Lathrop Washington, Terrence O'Brien, Irving Cohen, and Jackson Washington Johnson died as paupers with no one to mourn them, but they achieved a kind of immortality as the unlikely heroes who saved a golf course.